Hey Pre-Algebra, welcome to Wednesday, day 18, or April 22nd, Earth Day. So today's activity, all about probability. It's just going to be more about probability, but it's going to be very helpful for you to remember what prime numbers are and what multiples are. So there are 2 videos that you can watch for that. It also might be helpful to get a piece of paper out, because they're just going to ask you questions like, how many prime numbers are between this and this? What's the probability of picking one? So you might want to consider getting a piece of paper. I'm going to be taking screenshots and working from there. Okay, so I'm going to do the first 3. There are 8 total, so that seems pretty fair. Maybe I'll do the first 4. We'll see how I feel. Okay, so numbers chosen at random from 1 to 25. Find the probability of selecting a prime number. So remember that a prime number has to be greater than 1, and it only has 1 and the other number as factors. 7 and 13 are examples of prime numbers. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to go back up to this chart, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Screenshot. And I'm just going to circle or highlight, I'll highlight the prime numbers. Can you even, I have no idea if you can see this. Oh, I have no idea if you can see this. We'll see. So we have 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime, continuing on 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So notice how the only even number that existed was 2. All the other even numbers are not prime, but it's not every single odd number, so don't get confused by that. So that means I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 highlights out of 25 total. So I'm going to scroll back down as it refreshes, and look, there's that option, 9/25. Didn't lie to you. How exciting. Okay. A number is chosen at random from 1 to 50. Find the probability of selecting numbers less than 9. Remember that the probability is always written as a reduced fraction or simplified. So less than 9, that means 9 can't be an option. That means it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 possibilities out of 50. So if we think about that, 8 over 50, well, they're both even, so then that could become 4 over 25. And there's the answer. All right, number 3. A number is chosen at random from 1 to 10. Find the probability of selecting a multiple of 2. So multiples is just skip counting by that number. I don't know why they needed to have a special name. Probably because multiple is like multiply, and it's really just when you multiply the numbers, you get these. But all it is skip counting. So go back to 2nd grade where you skip counted, and that's it. Now, multiples of 2 or skip counting by 2, that's just all your even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you could see my hand, I had 5 up. So that means that it's 5 out of the 10 options. And what is 5/10? Well, that's the same thing as 1/2, because 5 is half of 10. 1/2. Now, I don't even know how many questions I've done now. 1, 2, 3, because no numbers aren't showing up. Okay, a number is chosen at random from 1 to 50. Find the probability of selecting multiples of 12. Okay, so we really are just multiplying by 12. So 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24, so that's 2. 12 times 3 is 36, that's 3. 12 times 4 is 48, that's 4. And we can't do any more because, well, it would be over 50. So that means it's 4 over 50 total numbers. So if we would divide both of them by 2, it would be 2 over 25. So see how I did that? I thought about what numbers they were looking for first. That was my numerator. And then my denominator is just how many numbers it's total. So I'm just going to keep scrolling. Look at that nice, helpful, big 50 picture. So here's just a lot of questions right then and there. That's why I ended up doing 4 of them. So make sure you think and write things down. Don't just think about it in your head. I was like literally writing things down. You just didn't see it because, well, you can't see my face. So that's all I have for you for today. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions. If not, have a great Wednesday. Bye-bye.